Generic YouTube introduction. Thought I'd get another one in this evening. This is going to be a quick guide on how to purchase an IoTeX domain. So we're back on the IoPay app. We're going to need at least 300 IoTeX. We'll go through the different prices in a minute. Then go over to our Discover tab, and we are going to go to IoTeX.domains. You can also, if you want to find it, just search it in the top. See, I haven't searched anything on this at all yet. We want to go to this IoTeX.domains, click that. Connect our wallet. We're going to want to click the MetaMask one because we're on IoPay. Type in our passcode. We can see here we've loaded that. It's got no domains. Just trying to see the pricing. So if we just want to buy cat, we'll do search. Cat.iotex is available. Here the prices come up. So a 2-character domain, 30,000 IoTeX, 3 characters, 3,004, 1,500, and then 5+ characters is only 300 IoTeX. So you could go and buy cat.iotex now if you wanted to. I'm not going to spend that much. We'll just get IoTeX Talk, search. It's available. Surprise, surprise. I already knew it was available. So now we just want to go ahead and hit this mint now button. Make sure we've got enough tokens available. Confirm our transaction. Do our code once again. Give that a second to go through. And yeah, we now have the NFT for that domain. So you can go ahead and do your wallet forwarding, whatever you need to with that. The only marketplace I know to list these on is the Sumotex one, although I think IOPunk's marketplace might be able to list these on as well. You can see now that transactions gone through. We've got IoTeX Talk.iotx. Maybe I should have taken the E out. Doesn't matter, it's only 300 tokens. But yeah, we've got the domain. We can send it, all the normal things, and if we close this and we were to go into our wallet, switch over to the NFT tab, give it a reload. Oh, maybe we need to give it a couple more seconds. It should show up there. There we go. Now it's in there. We've got our web domain NFT as well. So we are. We've successfully purchased an IoTeX domain. Thanks for watching.